Going to Chile, going to the telescope, it was amazing. You're there and it feels so real. We see pictures online through James Webb or through the data we're working with of, all these astronomical objects, but it's crazy to be in the driver's seat.
The class is called a field course in astronomy and astrophysics. The vision of the course is to engage the students in observational astronomy. And central to the idea of a course like this is to have a research experience that is authentic and valuable to not just the students, but to the community of scientists that it's talking to, ultimately, hopefully leading to publications in a major research journal.
I sat down at the telescope on our first night on the mountain, and it was immediately after I had taken a couple of observations that I realized, this is what I want to be doing for the rest of my life. It was nothing short of career-defining for me.
The Chilean Andean Observatory sites are kind of magical places. They're extraordinary physical locations, and the telescopes are quite extraordinary machines. There's sort of a deep appreciation and understanding of the process and what we're trying to do that comes from physically being there. Clawing these photons out of the sky on this object that no one has ever looked at before, and being the first person to make and confirm discoveries. I do what I do because 25 years ago, I got the experience to work at a significant research telescope. And I remember that feeling that came from that is why I'm here now as a professor.
It really helped me place myself in where we are in the cosmos and gave me a really profound appreciation for the kind of science we're doing as humans on this humble planet.
People do transformative things when they are inspired by transformative experiences.